guys, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today's video is all about these braids that I installed on myself. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I know how much you guys love my hair braiding videos on my channel. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So for today's video, I'm working with Leeven hair from Amazon. They sent me over their new locks. So it came packaged in this cute little bag here, and in the bag comes 6 packs of the hair. So you get 6 bundles like this of the pre-looped crochet hair. It is in 18 inches in the color 1B. Each pack has 21 locks, and I have 4 braids left and 4 locks left, so I have exactly 42 braids in my hair. So I'm just going to show you guys what I've been doing. So the hair also came with a crochet hook and some silver braid jewelry. I did these braids like a few days ago and kind of neglected to come back and finish the style just because it's so tedious to do the individual braids, then crochet the hair, then wrap the hair. So if you want to do this style, be ready to commit to be working on it forever. So my hair has grown out and whatnot since I did these plaits. It's not as fresh as it was. So I'm going to take some edge control and kind of smooth that down because we're not rebraiding this. We're just not. As you can see, I got a little buildup from like slapping on all this edge control, but it's okay. We can get that off with some oil. So taking the crochet hook, I'm just gonna go under my braid. And then I'm gonna hook my braid and pull it through the pre-looped hook of the crochet hair. So the crochet hair is still in the hook. Here's my braid in the opening, and I'm gonna pull that through. And pull it down to make a knot. And that kind of makes this like a knotless style. Like it hides the knot under the braid instead of over it. So I'm taking some free tress water wave hair. Here is the stock card packaging. You can use any type of passion twist hair. I've seen people use the pre-twisted passion twist or really just some curly hair. And we're going to fluff it out, roughen it up, all of that good stuff. So I actually like that my hair has grown out some at the top just because locks can get tight when you're wrapping them because that adds tension at your scalp. So I'm trying to line up the curly hair with my natural hair. And then I'm just going to start wrapping it around the base. I'll wrap it around the base maybe 3 or 4 times just to make sure I have that tight. And then just go down. So having the hair fluffy kind of makes sure that it camouflages your natural hair, and then it also adds to the distressed look. So I alternate between wrapping tightly and wrapping loosely. So I'll do that a few times really loose, and then I'll go back and start wrapping tighter. And as you can see, it just makes a nice little rough distressed look. So the looser you wrap it, of course, the more distressed your hair will look. And I'm pretty sure as time goes that these start to look rougher and more natural. And I hope that I'm explaining this thoroughly. I feel like I'm all over the place. I really haven't sat down and did a talk through in a while, but I know you guys love braid videos and I love having braids, but the process of doing them, I'm just super duper lazy. So just keeping on wrapping all the way down. And on some of the pieces, I've actually kind of left some curly hair out, like on this braid here, just to give it kind of a goddess look, but I don't think I want to do that in the front because those loose ends start to get raggedy and matted, even though I probably won't have this hair in long. So once I get down to the bottom, you can use nail glue to secure this, or I've seen people use hairspray, but what I've been doing is just taking it and tying a little knot, and I'll do it again. Take it, tie a little knot, and then just roll it in the palm of my hands. And there you have it. So I hope you guys kind of got an understanding from that, because we're gonna speed through these last three because I'm ready to be done with this. This has taken up enough of my life, for sure.
I know you won't go home, but I gotta get it in. Making ends meet by any means necessary. It could get scared that I'm really in the field, but you knew that from the jump, so it is what it is. Call me your little thug, babe, I'm out here. And these bands ain't gon' chase themself, and I'm strapped with that tool if I ever need help. So I'm probably out your thuggin', but I'm never by myself. Hold it down, little baby, and I'll be back to get you right like you need me to. I'm waist deep in these streets, you know what I've been through. Kinda hard to explain, that's why I'm needing you to hold it close when they tear me down. The weight of the world starting to wear me down. I'm a king, you my queen, babe, let's fix these crowns. A lot of scars on my body, really been through hell. Waist deep in these streets. I don't mean to come off selfish, but I'm a thug and I can't help it, girl, I'm sorry. I know you hate, I'm always gone, but these streets feel just like home. Waist deep in these streets.
I know where you at. I know you in the West, and I'll pull up, stop playing.
I don't mean to come off selfish, but I'm a thug and I can't help it, girl, I'm sorry. I know you hate, I'm always gone, but these streets feel just like home. I know you worried when them sirens on and they ain't answered the phone and you think dead or in jail. Send a text to my phone like, baby, please come here. Let me show you what these streets won't give. Girl, I really need your hugs and you can throw in some kisses. To these streets I'm committed, but let's get it in, cause when that phone ring, I got a veil, that's that hustler in me. Please forgive me, I'll be back for real. Just have my back for real with my back up against the wall. I really love you, but I love money as well, so I'm torn in between the two. But I'm stuck chasing vans on the block. You know how I thought, do it, cause I was getting it in before you ever walked in, so it's hard for me to get this up. But I'll be back for real, just have my back for real with my back up against the wall. Hold it close when they tear me down. The weight of the world starting to wear me down. I'm a king, you my queen, baby, let's fix these crowns. A lot of scars on my body, really been through hell. You wanna the crib and not locked in the cell, but I'm just trying to get the money, ain't thinking about nothing else. Waist deep in the streets.
Give me a call back.
I don't mean to come off selfish, but I'm a thug and I can't help it, girl, I'm sorry. I know you hate, I'm always.
So I did want to show you guys how I got the loose curly ends, if that was something you wanted to add to your braids. So taking the hair that I'm wrapping with, I just split it into two halves, twirl them around my fingers, try to get the curls kind of more uniform and together. And then I just take one of those halves, whichever one kind of curls the best, around my finger, and I leave that piece out, and I take the remaining piece and begin wrapping as I was before. So one half will be left loose and the other half will be wrapped around the lock and then knotted off as we've been doing. And that is how I was able to get those kind of loose curly end look. guys, so I'm done twisting. I'm kind of just going through and trimming out these long miscellaneous pieces. So this is all of the locks installed in my head. Like I said, the pack comes with 6 individual bundles in them. I used 2 of the bundles, so I have 4 left over. So that's enough for me to do this style over again, or I see where people are extending them. So if you wanted to do the extended version of the soft locks or soft distress locks, whatever you call them, 1 package should be enough, and it is $40 on Amazon. I'll leave all of the links down below. I used 3 packs of the free tress hair in order to wrap the locks. This is how much I have left of the 3rd package, so maybe more so 2.5, buy 3 to be safe. So this hairstyle is like super duper tedious, so I don't know if I'll ever do it again. Oh, and another thing, the free tress hair is in a color number 2, but the actual locks is in a color number 1B, but I think it blends fine. But that pretty much sums up this video. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying out this style or not, if you think it's cute or just too much, which I'm starting to feel like it was too much. Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, please subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe, like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.